India is not just about its bustling cities or popular tourist destinations. The heart of India lies in its enchanting villages. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into the country's rich cultural heritage, traditional lifestyles, and stunning natural beauty. Here's a list of enchanting villages in India you must explore to experience the true essence of rural India. Mawlynnong, Meghalaya, Asia's cleanest village. Nestled in the East Khasi Hills, Mawlynnong is often called God's own garden, recognized as the cleanest village in Asia. It's a haven of lush greenery and cultural harmony. What to do? Walk on the living root bridges, explore Skyview for panoramic views, and interact with friendly locals. Best time to visit, October to April. 0. Arunachal Pradesh, a music lover's paradise. Famous for the Zero Music Festival, this quaint village offers breathtaking landscapes, rice fields, and a serene atmosphere. What to do? Visit the Apatani tribal villages, enjoy trekking, and attend the annual Zero Music Festival. Best time to visit, March to October. Malana, Himachal Pradesh, the ancient village known for its distinct culture and breathtaking views. Malana is often referred to as the village of taboos. It's surrounded by the stunning Parvati Valley. What to do? Trek to the village, enjoy the scenic landscapes, and learn about the unique customs of the Malana people. Best time to visit, May to September. Khimsar, Rajasthan, a desert oasis. A blend of history and nature, Khimsar is a hidden gem in the Thar Desert. It's perfect for those seeking a mix of solitude and royal heritage. What to do? Visit the Khimsar Fort, enjoy camel rides in the desert, and experience luxury desert camps. Best time to visit, October to March. Kumbalongi, Kerala, India's first model tourism village. Located near Kochi, Kumbalongi showcases the beauty of rural life with a mix of mangroves, backwaters, and traditional livelihoods. What to do? Explore the mangroves, enjoy fishing, and experience village homestays. Best time to visit, October to February. Kasol, Himachal Pradesh, the mini Israel of India. While Kasol is famous among backpackers, its nearby villages like Tosh and Chalal remain relatively unexplored. These villages are perfect for nature lovers and peace seekers. What to do? Trek to Tosh, camp by the Parvati River, and try Israeli cuisine. Best time to visit, March to June. Hodka, Gujarat, the heart of Kutch. Located near the Great Rann of Kutch, Hodka is a vibrant village known for its rich crafts, mud houses, and cultural festivals. What to do? Stay in traditional Bhunga houses, experience local crafts, and enjoy the Rann Utsav. Best time to visit, November to February. Why choose Jagrati Travel Solutions? At Jagrati Travel Solutions, we curate personalized village tourism experiences that help you connect with India's rural charm. Whether it's cultural exploration, ecotourism, or adventure, we've got you covered.